Are you looking for a better way to build? With the OmniFlex system, you can quickly build, modify, or move an entire structure without the mess and cost associated with traditional stick-built construction. Unlike traditional framing studs, the OmniFlex system features two hat-shaped sections that fasten together to quickly and securely lock wall, window, and door panels into place. Each stud features wiring raceways on both sides to accommodate electrical and data lines, so there's no need to cut wall panels to accommodate receptacles or switches. Finally, the OmniFlex Modular building system seamlessly integrates multiple pre-engineered window, door, and ceiling systems to allow for complete design freedom. To replace a panel, one can simply remove the cover plates, detach one section of the stud, and remove the panel without affecting the other panels or ceiling. The new panel can be inserted into the structure and the studs can be reattached. So when you're ready to build, save time, and avoid the mess associated with traditional construction, consider OmniFlex.